capture the flags are essential to your cyber journey. With PicoCTF, there are so many fun challenges to complete. I am going to start with a nice easy one, so filter based on easy using the difficulty section on the left of the page. This first challenge is called hashcrack because it involves cracking hashes. If you click on it, a box pops up with what you are required to do. So take a few moments to go through this. There is a flag to be captured, but you have to crack a series of password hashes to find the flag. To kick off, there is a launch instance button, which is going to be a shell to a Linux server on PicoCTF site. There are also several hints on how to complete the challenge. Once the instance is launched, it takes a moment to start up. Eventually, the instance will say started, and in red, it shows a netcat command on how to access the server in question. Copy that command, and then head over to the Linux instance you just launched. You can expand this black box to a full page, which is much easier. Head back to the Pico main page and copy the command, which I had forgotten to do. With this command, we are going to connect to a server on a specific port. Pico makes it easy to copy and paste, so just paste in the command into the terminal. Okay, so the first result pops up and you are greeted with a hash. There are websites with millions of stored hashes, and they refer to specific passwords. One of the best websites for this is called CrackStation. You can paste the hash value in here, and if they have the password for it, it will be shown here. Click crack hash, and the result is shown as password 123. Not too difficult. So armed with that password, I head back over to the Linux server and paste in the password at the prompt. Nice. It is done, and it reveals a second hash. Damn. Okay, let's copy this hash and perform the same action again at CrackStation. Okay, so this one wasn't too hard as it turned out. Let me in is the password. Again, head back over to the Linux server and paste that into the prompt. Okay, so it reveals another much larger hash. Most likely a SHA-256 hash. This is the last one, so copy again and head back to CrackStation. Once you hit crack, it gives you the password and also confirms this was a 256-bit hash. Copy the QWERTY098 password and head back to the server. Paste it in, and what happens? You see it reveals the flag. You have captured your first flag, which is good news. Copy this flag and go back to the Pico site. If you scroll to the bottom of the challenge box, there is a field to paste in the flag. Click on Submit Flag, and there you go. You have your first challenge completed. This challenge was one of the basic ones, but a good introduction to how the site works. I will be doing a few more of these basic ones, just to get viewers used to it. We hope you enjoyed your first Capture the Flag experience. If you have a bit of a buzz, there are hundreds more to try. Like, share, and subscribe for plenty more content like this. See you again soon.